This is ES5 speaking test. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Can you introduce yourself, please?
Hello, teacher. My name is Huyền. I'm 15 years old and I'm from class ES5B.
Good, excellent stuff. Okay, so what we've got is we've got three parts to this test. We've got find the differences, information exchange, and then a picture story. So let's move on to the first part. The first part is find the differences. So we've got two pictures here. What I want you to do is I want you to tell me 5 differences. So for example, I would say, in your picture, there is no sun in the sky. In my picture, there is a sun in the sky.
Yes.
Can you find me 5 more?
Yes. In the picture A, the woman is sleeping, but in the picture B, the woman is reading the book.
Good.
In the picture A, the man is wearing green shirt, but in the picture B, the man is wearing red shirt.
Good.
In the picture A, there are 2 tents, but in the picture B, there is the tent.
Good.
In the picture A, there are 2 cows, but in the picture B, there are 2 sheep.
Good.
In the picture A, the boy is playing football with his baby sister. But in the picture B, the boy is playing football with his baby brother.
Good, excellent stuff. Okay, so let's take those away. Now we're going to move on to the next part. So the next part is information exchange. I'm going to hand you this. I've got this one. I'm going to ask you some questions about Harry's favourite restaurant and I need you to answer them. And then when we've done with those, I need you to ask me some questions about Helen's favourite restaurant. So, what is the name of Harry's favourite restaurant?
It's called Ben's Burger.
Good. Is it expensive or cheap?
It's cheap.
How often does Harry visit his favourite restaurant?
He visits every Saturday.
Is it near his home?
Yes, it is.
Good. And what time does Harry's favourite restaurant close?
The restaurants close at 10 o'clock.
Good.
What is the name of Helen's favorite restaurant?
Helen's favourite restaurant is called Pasta Place.
Is the restaurant expensive or cheap?
It's expensive.
How often does Helen visit the restaurant?
Helen visits the restaurant once a month.
What time does the restaurant close?
Helen's favourite restaurant closes at midnight.
It's near her home.
No, it isn't. Well done. Thank you very much. Let me take that. Okay, so let's move on to the third and final part. The third and final part is a picture story. So we've got 5 different pictures here. What I want you to do is use these to tell me a story. We've got 2 main characters, Richard and Mum. Look at these pictures, and when you're ready, I want you to tell me a story.
On the weekend, Richard and his mum spent a day having a picnic. They prepare lunch together, which include bread, vegetable, orange juice, and milk. Then they left home and drive a car to go to the park. The surrounding is very beautiful, which make them very happy, and they sing a song together. When they arrive to the park, they left the food prepared at home outside, and they eat and talk together. Look behind them, there's a cow. After eating, Richard and his mom. After eating, his mom took off and put it on her hat on the blanket, and then they playing football with her son. Look it, the cow is very like her hat. Because the cow is very like her hat, and the cow eating her hat. Rachel is very funny, but his mom is not. She will be very angry.
Good.
She looks very angry.
Good, well done. And that concludes the video test.